And hello again, guys. So once more, this is today's and yesterday's fireworks. But there's today what I bought: Turbo Thunder, this one, and one this, and one this more. So there's three Canuna, one Isokatti Big Cat, one Turbo Thunder, and one Rakettitukku King Cannon Big or something. But yeah, and there's yesterday's. Yep, there's that fantastic, and those two. Yep, and I take picture from that big 17 racket box, so I put it in my Instagram. So yeah, but this was the once more. So yeah, so see ya guys tomorrow. Bye.